We are pleased to show you the 2023
Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.